here at the New York Fire Museum in New York City, New York.
Yep, New York City is a really big city with a ton of people in it.
And it's so loud.
That's right. And firefighters have a very dangerous job of putting out fires. So they have a lot of training they have to do before they become firefighters.
Whoa! Firefighters are so cool.
Yeah, they're the real heroes.
Yeah, and they help put out fires and save people. They're just awesome.
They really are. Let's go in and explore.
Okay, come on.
Whoa! Blippi, check it out.
Look! Whoa, look at these.
Whoa, these are fire alarms.
Yeah, fire alarms are really important because it's a way you can tell firefighters there's a fire emergency.
Yeah, maybe you've seen a fire alarm in the building that you live in or in a school. They're usually a lot smaller than this.
Really tiny. But these are so big.
They're so big and they're all around the city.
Yeah, in New York City on the street, you might see one of these. Yeah.
Check it out.
Whoa.
Lift this up and you pull this down and it sends an alarm to the fire station so that they can come and put out the fire.
Yeah, and look, there's a number on it.
Yep.
1, 1, 3. Ooh, and mine has one too. 9, 3, 7.
Oh, what do those mean?
Yeah, if you pull this fire alarm, this number helps the firefighters know where to go. Yeah, in the firehouse, the fire station. A bell would ring 9 times, it would ring 3 times, and it would ring 7 times. So the firefighters know where to go.
That's so cool. And you can still use these today.
You can? They still work?
That's right.
Even though they're kind of old.
Yeah, they still work.
Yeah. Whoa, and they're made out of metal.
Yeah, nice and sturdy.
Yeah, this one's so pretty. Oh, it looks so old, like Rockefeller Center.
You're right.
So beautiful.
That's awesome.
Speaking of fighting fires, I wonder what firefighters used to wear.
Oh, well, I'm glad you asked because I see something over here. Come on.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Check it out. Whoa.
Yep, see. Oh, Blippi?
Hello. Hi. Whoa, look at this.
Yeah, firefighter jackets. Whoa. Oh, you should try this on, Blippi.
Oh, no way. It's a New York City fire helmet.
Yep.
Whoa. Look, these are so important because they're nice and hard. Yeah, to protect the firefighter's head. Whoa, and look, it has a number on it. Do you see? A 3 and a 0. The number 30. Yeah, and look, it has this big, looks kind of like a patch.
Yeah.
It's the color black.
Yeah, I wonder why some helmets are red and some are black.
Oh, yeah, because they have different vehicles. If it's the color black, then it's a fire engine. But let's say it's the color red, then it would be a fire truck.
Oh, and a fire truck has a ladder on it, right?
Yeah, that's right. And a fire engine has a really big hose.
Whoa!
Whoa. Let's try it on.
Okay.
Here we go.
How does it feel?
Whoa. Whoa.
Is it heavy?
It's so heavy. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, look. And, oh, I have goggles.
Yeah, you have double protection.
Yeah.
Glasses and goggles. Or a shield, I guess.
A shield. Whoa, look. It also protects my hair and my eyes from any really hot fire.
Yeah, that's super important for firefighters to protect themselves when they're fighting fires. You can also wear this jacket, Blippi.
Whoa, whoa. I'm starting to look and feel like a real firefighter now.
Yeah.
Whoa.
These
Check it
jackets
out.
are so important because they protect you and they're made out of fireproof material.
Oh, fireproof? Oh, look. Yeah, it helps so that firefighters don't get too hot when they're really close to the fire. Yeah. Fire resistant! Yeah!
And this is a firefighter jacket too. Whoa! Oh, I put my arm through the wrong hole.
Oh, that's okay.
There you go.
Whoa, that's good. Oh, and why would you wear one of these jackets?
Now this you would wear if you're going to a nice event or maybe marching in a parade.
Ooh, I love parades.
Yeah, me too.
Ooh.
Yeah. Oh, firefighters are awesome.
Yeah, look, and sometimes firefighters get a little chilly, so they just need to wear a regular jacket.
Yep.
So they have jackets like this.
Yeah.
Whoa, and look, it has a really cool patch.
Wow.
Yeah, it says City of New York. Yeah, because that's where we are.
Yep.
Whoa, this is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Learning all about the things that firefighters need to fight fires.
Yeah, let's keep exploring. I really want to find a fire truck.
Let's go.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at it.
Wow.
Whoa, it looks like this is the very first fire engine.
That's right, and look how small it is.
Yeah, you see? It's so small.
Yep, and this.
Whoa,
Whoa.
what's this? It's a big pole?
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, it's so big. Yeah. Oh, hey, I think it goes up there.
Oh, you're right.
Okay, here we go.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa, look. Oh, and I think one goes on the other side.
Oh.
Whoa.
You got it?
I think I got it. Look. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa, easy.
Okay. Whoa, whoa, check it out. Yeah, these posts would go on either side. Yeah, and 2 people would pump it on either side to help the fire hose work.
Yep, it took some serious teamwork.
Yeah.
The hose
Pump it
would
away.
connect to this part right here, and they would pump up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down.
Yeah.
And Blippi, do you know what this is?
Whoa. No, what is that?
It's so loud because it's the first fire siren.
Yeah. Whoa, it's so loud.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Ooh. Ooh. Can I give it a try?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, here we go. Fire! Woo! Whoa. Yeah, the firefighters would use this to make sure that everyone knew there's a fire. Need to be careful.
Yep.
Whoa. Whoa, and what are these buckets for?
These are really sturdy, cool buckets. Everyone
Yeah.
in the neighborhood would have one so that they could help put out the fire.
Oh yeah, I think it was called the Bucket Brigade.
That's right, the bucket brigade.
Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Put out the
Wow.
fire with this because back then they didn't have fire extinguishers and sometimes it was hard to get hoses around to the right spot.
Yep, everyone would just work together.
Yeah, teamwork. Yeah. Whoa, hey, and Meekah, what's that over there?
Whoa! Check this out. Whoa, look how big this wheel is.
Whoa, it's so big. It's almost as big as you.
I know.
It's almost as big as me. Wow. Whoa, check it out. This looks like another fire engine.
Yeah.
But this one doesn't have those hand cranks.
No.
Or the pumps.
No.
No, this looks like it used steam.
Yeah.
Steam? Huh.
Kind of worked like a kettle.
Whoa.
Maybe you've seen one of these before in your kitchen.
Yeah. If you want a cup of tea, you can just boil some water and steam comes out the top. Oh, yeah. So that's what firefighters would use to put out the fire. Steam. Yeah. Steam can be very powerful.
Yeah, and very hot.
Mhm.
So they would make a fire to put out a fire?
What? Make a fire, put out a fire? That's silly. Whoa. And would they use this?
Yes, they would use this coal. They'd burn the coal, start a fire right in here.
Whoa.
So imagine that this is like a giant kettle.
Yeah. Had water in here, a fire down below.
Mhm.
Yeah. And it would boil. And then the steam would help to make the hose work. Yeah. It would turn all these gears and all the parts of the machinery. And then it would make the hose work. Ooh, and look, there's a fire hose.
Whoa.
That's pretty cool. Check it out.
This
Ooh.
is awesome.
Well, I'm gonna go put up the kettle.
Oh yeah, good idea. Whoa.
Ooh. Oh, that
And did
hose
you
is
know
cool.
that horses would pull this?
Oh yeah, because back then they didn't have vehicles that could drive like today. No, they needed horses to help.
That's
So,
right.
yeah, they would take care of them too.
Oh, look out. I think this thing's
Whoa!
I'm just kidding.
That's fun. Whoa! Hey, look at this! There's another fire engine.
See?
Wow, this one's even bigger! It's
Whoa.
so big!
Yeah, they just keep getting bigger and bigger with time.
Oh, Meekah, there's a rope here. You want to pull it?
Sure, I don't see a sign saying that I can't pull it.
Yeah, I think we can do it.
What?
Whoa! Did you hear that?
Whoa,
Whoa! That's a really loud bell.
really loud. Oh, I see it up there.
Yeah, you see it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try.
Whoa!
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Now we have sirens, but back then they would use loud bells so people knew that there was a fire and that a fire engine was coming through.
Yeah. Whoa, and look at this. This fire engine doesn't look like it needed horses.
Nope.
It has wheels and tires, just like a modern day one. And look, a steering wheel.
Yeah.
This engine actually had an engine. Whoa.
Yeah, you've probably seen a steering wheel before.
Yeah. Oh, look at this.
Whoa, what's that?
Well, only one way to find out. Here we go. Whoa.
Wow.
That's awesome. Yeah, that's a siren. Yeah, it would tell people that there's a fire.
Yeah, now sirens sound like woo,
But not back then. No, they sounded a lot different.
Yeah, loud noises are important to let people know that something very important is happening and to be careful and get out of the way.
Ooh, that was pretty fun learning about all these vehicles. Hey, maybe we could see some more fire engines, or maybe even a fire truck.
Yeah, I hope so. Let's go.
Okay. Whoa! Check out this fire truck.
Whoa, what kind of truck is this?
It's really big, and it looks like there are ladders on it.
Yeah.
Hey, this is a tiller ladder truck.
Yeah. It's so cool. See the big ladders?
Oh, it's so big. Yeah. Why would they need ladders?
So that they can climb up to the top of buildings.
Yeah, and to really high places to put out the fire.
Yep. That's right. And if you look behind you there, Blippi, here's an old fire extinguisher.
Whoa, yeah. Fire extinguishers are definitely helpful for putting out fires too.
Yeah, you may have one in your house even.
Yeah, or see one at school. Whoa.
Whoa.
What's this?
Here, I'll help you
Here we
get it
go.
out. It's
Whoa,
really big and heavy.
Pretty heavy. Whoa! This is so tall.
Yeah.
You know what it is? This is called a 6-foot hook. Whoa.
That's just what it is.
Yeah, look, it's a little hook.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is really helpful for firefighters. A long time ago, yeah, because they would break a hole in maybe the ceiling or the wall so that they could put some water with the hose through the hole. Yeah, break it and then spray in the water.
Yeah, it also lets the smoke rise up out of the building.
Yeah, because smoke and heat rise. Sometimes
That's right.
a firefighter might need to break a window so the smoke can get out and the fire doesn't keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
Yeah. Oh,
Ooh.
wow.
Whoa, that's really cool.
It's really cool. Here, I'll help you.
Whoa.
There you go.
And Meekah, what's this?
Oh, so this is where a driver would sit to help steer the back wheels.
Yeah, this part is called the tiller.
Yep, there are 2 drivers.
2 drivers?
One in the back to steer the wheels, and there's one in the front with the horses.
Whoa, yeah. Did you know that a tiller ladder truck, yeah, it was pulled by horses.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, we don't do that anymore.
Yeah, no horses today. But
Nope.
back then, they needed horses. Whoa.
An engine.
Wow, look at it. It's
Whoa.
so big, and it's the color red.
Yeah.
Whoa, and look, yeah, this is where the engine is.
Yep.
Whoa,
This
it's
is
so big.
cool. And look, Blippi, a bell and a siren.
Hey, yeah, we've seen a bunch of those today.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a really cool fire engine because, yeah, it didn't use steam or manpower pumping the hose. No, it uses gasoline. Yeah, the hose runs on gasoline. Yeah, there'd be an engine, it would make the hose work.
Oh, that's right. And if you look at the top here, Blippi, you'll see the hose.
Whoa, check it out.
Yeah, that's a big, powerful one. It's really strong and a ton of water can come out of it.
Whoa, yeah. There's a hose that a firefighter could hold, but if there was a fire really, really high up, they could spray it with this giant sprayer. Whoa! That's so cool.
Yeah.
Whoa.
And what are these?
What are those? Huh. Kind of hard. Wait a minute. Those are nozzles.
You're so right. That goes on the end of a hose.
Yeah, so you can maybe spray a wider spray of water or a really narrow spray. So you can do whatever you need to put out the fire.
Yep, that's so smart. Hey, we should pretend to be real firefighters.
Oh yeah, that sounds super fun.
Do you hear that? Let's go put out the fire!
Okay.
To the fire!
Okay.
Woo!
Whoa.
Oh,
Whoa, that was awesome!
that was so fun!
Yeah, we've learned so much about firefighters, but we should probably return our jackets.
Oh, yep, right. Wow. Oh, there you go.
Oh, thanks.
Wow, and firefighters have been around for so long, keeping our neighborhoods nice and safe.
Yeah, do so many things to help. And they use a lot of equipment and gear. Thank you.
You're welcome.
To put out those fires. Whoa, they're pretty amazing.
Yeah, thank you so much, firefighters, for being real-life heroes and keeping everyone nice and safe.
Yeah. Well, that's the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of our videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, can you spell my name with me? Okay, here we go. Blippi. Blippi. Good job.
Will you spell my name with us? Awesome. M-E-E-K-A-H. Meekah.
Well, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
See you later.
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi! Whoa! And look at where we're at! Yeah, today we're at Aquarium of Boise in Boise, Idaho. And this place is awesome. Yeah, it's an aquarium. Have you ever been to an aquarium before? Yeah, it's so cool because they have so many marine animals here. Yeah, marine animals are animals that live in the water. Well, shall we go explore? Let's go! Whoa! Oh, there's so many different kinds of fish in here. Whoa, they're all back there. Oh, hello! Whoa, look up here. Looks like a list of different types of fish. Ooh, look at that one. That one's called a yellow tang. Yeah, and it's all yellow. I wonder why it's called yellow tang. Ooh, and look at this one. It says purple tang. Woo, looks like it's purple and yellow. Whoa, woo, and that one way over there. Whoa, powder blue tang. Whoa, yeah, it's blue and yellow. Okay, let's try and find them. Let's find the yellow tang. Yeah, they're pretty distinct looking, huh? All yellow. Okay, not that one. Wait, there's one way over there. Do you see it? It's so far back there. Oh, it's hiding. Hello, yellow tang. Look up there. Yeah, an orange, white, and black fish. I know what that is. Look up here. Yeah, that's the fish. It's a clownfish. Look up there. Do you see that blue fish? Yeah, it's just pure blue. It's really bright and vibrant. And look up here. Whoa, it's a blue damselfish. It's so bright and blue and colorful. Cool. See you later, fish. Whoa, more fish. Whoa, look at this in here. Wait a second. This looks like the same shape as the last clownfish, but this one is just black and white. Yeah, do you see it right there? Yeah, a black and white striped fish. Here comes another one. Wait, yeah, this is actually a type of clownfish. Yeah, but can you think of an animal that lives on land that's black and white stripes? Yeah, a zebra. Wow, cool. These are the zebras of the ocean. See you later, clownfish. Whoa, did you see that? Yeah, that looked like a puffer fish to me. Whoa, actually, it's a porcupine puffer. Yeah, looks really smooth right now. But if it gets frightened or scared or angry, what it does is its cheeks puff out and its whole body, yeah, becomes spiky. Yeah, it's a defense mechanism. Super cool. Whoa, and look down here. Whoa, do you see this? Wow, looks like an eel. Yeah, this is actually a yellowhead moray eel, and it's just hanging out in the rocks. Yeah, just chilling. Yeah, that's what eels like to do. Hang out in the rocks and just poke their heads out. All right, see you later. Fun hanging out with you. Whoa, what else do they have here? Whoa, look at this. Looks like an old boat that then water got into and rocks over the years. Whoa, it's a perfect fish habitat. Oh, and look at what I have. Yeah, some snacks for the fish. Yeah, just like how you and I like snacks. Yeah, fish like snacks too. Whoa, and they said I can actually feed these fish. All right, first let's try these peas. There we go. All right, pour it in my hand. And then we'll see if the fish like to come and eat some food. Here you go. Whoa, do you see all those fish? Yeah, those are Japanese koi fish. There's so many of them, and they're so colorful. All right, we have a little bit more food over here. All right, hello, Japanese koi fish. Yeah. All right, here you go. Whoa, are you hungry? Whoa, they're so cool looking. They're so colorful. Yeah, some are orange and black, some are white and black, and some are white, black, and orange. Whoa, see you later. All right, what else is around here? Whoa, look at this tank. This tank is massive. Looks like the fish are all on the other side. Whoa, but there's a lot of gallons and liters of water in here. Whoa, oh, and look at this. Whoa, looks like a scuba diver. Whoa, do you see this helmet? It looks like a port right here. Yeah, scuba divers have this area so then they can see while they're underwater. Ooh, and scuba divers wear this outfit so then they can stay warm under the water and so they can breathe underwater. You know how you and I have to hold our breath underwater? Scuba divers can breathe while they're underwater. Cool. Ooh, and do you see this big weight? Yeah, us humans, we tend to float. So this weight is holding the scuba diver on the bottom of the seafloor. So then this scuba diver can work. Yeah, looks like the scuba diver works underwater. Wow! Whoa, look at all these tanks. Whoa, this is so cool. Ooh, and look at this one. It's really big and bright and vibrant. Yeah, do you see that? Yeah, that orange thing? That is actually a sea anemone. Whoa, and do you see those rock-looking things up there? Yeah, they're also pretty bright. Those are coral. Yeah, sea anemones and coral. Yeah, they're actually animals. They kind of just look like rocks, huh? Those coral do. Well, hey, do you see how bright they are and just vibrant in color? Yeah, it's actually because there's algae that lives inside the sea anemone. Isn't that interesting? Whoa, oh look. You see how that fish is just hanging out with that sea anemone and right next to all that coral? Yeah, coral is actually really, really important because a bunch of fish like these ones actually live in all the coral. Yeah, it's just like how you and I live in a house. Yeah, these fish love to live inside the coral. Whoa, and around the coral and use sea anemones as a nice soft bed. So cozy. Whoa, ooh, and look at this one. Ooh, it's really bright and green. Whoa, so cool. Hey, remember how we saw that eel hanging out in the rock and the coral? Yeah, they're just hanging out in their homes. See you later, enjoy your homes. Look over here. Wow, this is a big tank. Whoa, do you see that fish way over there? Whoa, yeah, there's a fish way back there. It's so big. It's a bumblebee grouper. Yeah, and actually they live to be 80 to 100 years old. But this one's only about 10 years old, so it's gonna get way bigger. Whoa, whoa, these are some big fish in here. Whoa, look at these. Hello, hey, and look at the bottom. Whoa, do you see all those? Yeah, they definitely look like sharks, huh? Look at them just hanging out the bottom. Whoa, whoa, look at these fish. More big fish. Yeah, these are pacu. Yeah, pacus. to be exact, because there's many of them. Whoa, and they kind of look like really big piranhas. Yeah, and actually, they eat vegetables. They're herbivores. Yeah, you see how big they are? Whoa! And actually, let me show you something right up here. It's really cool. Yeah, here's the teeth. Do you see this? Yeah, they kind of look like human teeth that they have, huh? Whoa! Now I have a big treat for us. Yeah, these pacus, I bet, are very hungry, and we have a nice yummy snack for them. Yeah, these are almonds. Watch out, they might splash. Whoa! Look at them go! Whoa! Whoa! I'm throwing them down so then they hear and see them splash. There we go. Yeah, it's like they're falling off of trees. Whoa, here you go. Whoa, they must be really hungry. Let me do a few at the same time. Whoa! Whoa, don't worry everyone. There's more for everyone. Here you go. Whoa, cool. Whoa. All right, here's some more. Wow. Aren't they cool? They must be very, very hungry. Whoa, cool. Wow, wasn't this so much fun learning about marine animals together? Yeah, I had a great time learning with you. Well, this is the end of this video though. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. All right, see you again. Hey, it's me, Blippi.
Hi, I'm Meekah.
And look at where we're at. We're at Woodward Park City.
Yup, in Park City, Utah.
Yeah, and this is a place where you can learn how to skateboard.
Yeah, there's some big jumps in there.
Whoa! And some ramps and rails.
Yeah!
Whoa!
Let's go inside and check it out.
Let's go!
All right.
This is gonna be so much fun.
I know, I can't wait.
All right.
All right.
Whoa! Cool, check it out.
Whoa, look at this place.
Whoa, yeah, this is the skate park.
Yeah.
Whoa, be careful. You're on a ledge.
Whoa,
right there.
and look, it slides all the way down.
Yeah, it's like a big ramp or a bowl.
Yeah, that you could go on a skateboard and slide all the way down and back up.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa!
Woo.
Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa, careful.
It's really slippery.
Yeah, it's so smooth.
It's like a quarter pipe.
Yeah.
You go up to the top, jump, and come back down.
Wow,
Whoa.
that sounds like fun.
Yeah. Ooh, and check out over here, Meekah.
Oh.
Looks like we have some stairs. Whoa.
What would you do on stairs on a skateboard?
Well, if you're really good, you can start up top and jump all the way down to the bottom.
What?
Yeah, it's really cool.
Wow.
Check this out.
Oh,
You know what this is?
A railing you just hold on to when you walk down the stairs?
I guess you could do that. But also, if you're really good, you can jump up with the skateboard, land on it with the trucks, and then grind down.
Whoa, that's really cool.
Yeah, it is. Whoa. Oh, Meekah, look.
Skateboarders, come on.
Let's go check them out. Whoa, Meekah, look how good they are.
Yeah, they look like they're having a lot of fun.
Whoa, cool.
Wow.
Maybe they'll come over and say hi, and then we can meet them.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Okay, hello.
Hi.
Hey.
Here they come.
They're coming, I'm so excited.
Me too.
Whoa.
Hey.
Oh, hey, what are your names?
My name's Eva. My name's Jimmer.
Oh, hi Eva and Jimmer. I'm Meekah.
And I'm Blippi. Do you two love the skateboard?
Yes.
Oh, what do you like about it?
I like it because I like feeling air in my face.
Oh, you love feeling air in your face?
That
Cool.
sounds nice.
What about you, Jimmer?
I like dropping in and I also like going up and down.
Wow, dropping in and going up and down.
Sounds fun.
Yeah.
How long have you been skating?
Last summer.
Not very long.
I know, and you're already that good?
Wow.
Wow, naturals.
Nice.
Cool. Well, do you two mind if we watch you skateboard? So then Meekah and I might be able to learn just by watching you?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Go shred it up.
Whoa, there they go.
Whoa, they're really good.
They're really good, and they just learned.
Whoa, did you see that?
No, wait.
She just went up and then down.
Wow.
Here she comes. Whoa. Oh, he went up.
Yeah.
Whoa, and now she's going up.
Wow.
Whoa.
I love how they just turn their skateboards like that to go back down.
Whoa. Yeah. Whoa.
Whoa.
So cool. Oh, here she goes. Whoa. Whoa.
How
she
did
just
she do
went off the jump. Whoa. Cool.
Wow, amazing.
Whoa. They are very good.
Yeah, I want to learn how to do that.
Yeah, I bet it takes them a lot of practice to get their balance
Yeah,
right.
a really good balance, I bet. Whoa.
Whoa, and look.
Wow.
Cool. Whoa. Well,
There she goes.
maybe if you and I get on our gear, we can learn to skateboard.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
All right, let's go.
Come on.
Whoa, cool,
Wow.
Meekah. Whoa, look at all this stuff.
Whoa, there's a lot of things that we can use to be really safe when we skateboard.
Yeah, check it out. A yellow helmet.
Hey, I love the color yellow. It's one of my favorite colors.
Ooh, and look, a skateboard.
Wow.
Whoa, yeah.
Look at the wheels.
And these shiny silver things, do you know what they're called?
Oh, what are those?
Those are trucks. That's so then you can push down, and that's how you turn.
Cool.
Whoa.
And look, it's really rough on this side.
Yeah, it's like sandpaper. It's actually called grip tape.
Oh, so
Then-
your shoes can grip onto the board?
Yeah, put your hand right there. See how it's hard to move it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Awesome.
Wow, shall we put on our gear?
Yeah, let's get ready to ride.
All right. Yeah, cool black helmet. Gotta keep our heads safe.
Whoa, that looks nice, Blippi.
Thank you. Ooh, and some knee pads.
Yeah. See, it's hard on the outside, so if you fall down, it'll protect your knee and you won't get hurt.
Yeah. There you go, nice and tight. Wow. All right. Hello.
Whoa. And my helmet. This really cool yellow helmet. How's it look?
Oh, nice and snug. Perfect.
Oh, okay. Oh, skateboard, skateboard. Let's go.
Oh yeah, your skateboard.
Yeah, mine has yellow on it too.
Whoa, cool design.
Wow.
Whoa. Well, shall we try to skateboard?
Let's do it.
All right. Woohoo! Yeah, this is gonna be fun.
Yeah, let's give it a try.
All right.
Okay, whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
Whoa.
Wow, you have a really good balance, Blippi.
Whoa. This is harder than it looks.
Yeah, we might need a little help with this.
Yeah, if only we had instructors. Whoa.
Somebody say instructors?
Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm Morgan. I'm an instructor here at Woodward Park City.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And I'm Brian. I'm also an instructor here at Woodward.
Whoa, cool. We would love to learn how to skateboard from you two.
We'd love to teach you. Blippi, do you want to come hang with me for a minute?
Yeah. Cool.
Meekah, you want to come with me?
Yes.
All
All
right.
right. Good luck, Meekah.
Have fun.
Bye-bye.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
All right, I'm so excited.
Okay, Blippi, have you ever skateboarded before?
A couple times, but I wouldn't say I'm that good.
That's okay. Let's just see where you're at. You want to start with some pushing?
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Pushing.
All right.
Okay.
So we always have our front foot on first.
Okay.
And then we're gonna, do you know which foot you like in the front?
Yep. It's
Perfect.
definitely my right foot.
Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna do a nice easy push off and get that back foot on.
Okay.
You can go ahead and cruise.
Wow. All right, here we go. Yeah. That's
Yeah,
pretty
Blippi.
comfortable. Yeah.
That looks awesome.
All right, thanks.
You look comfortable.
All right.
Do you wanna do that one more time?
Sure, let's head back.
All right, let's do it together.
All right, ready?
All right, front foot on. And go.
Whoa!
Yeah, high five.
Cool. All right.
was awesome.
There we go. Sweet. All right. I'm comfortable with that.
That looks good.
Thanks.
Do you know how to kick turn at all? How to turn your board?
Turn. I think a little bit, but
Okay.
I'd love to practice.
Okay, do you want me to give you a small demonstration?
Yeah, I'd love to.
All right, so same foot placement.
Okay.
Okay, and you're gonna start turning your board, pushing on your toe side edge.
Okay.
Okay?
Perfect. All right. Let me try that. Now,
You
full
got this,
circle.
Blippi.
Here I go. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. Like that?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Woohoo.
That was so good.
Thank you.
That was awesome.
This is so cool. All right, what's next?
Hey, are you ready for a really fun one?
Yeah.
Would you like to learn how to drop in today, Blippi?
Drop in. Yeah. Let's do it.
All right, we're gonna just start with some flat drills.
Okay.
So we're gonna just put our board down.
Okay.
We're gonna put our back foot on where we like that, nice and in the concave right here.
Okay.
My front foot's gonna go on the bolts. I'm nice and bent.
Okay.
And I'm gonna push down and just ride away.
All right.
Very nice.
Yeah, I did it. Did that look good?
That looks awesome.
Yeah?
Wanna get a few more practices?
Sure. Let's try it. All right. Back foot on, bent, and go down.
Awesome.
Yeah. All right.
That
What's
looks
next?
so good. Okay, if you're feeling ready,
Yep.
we're gonna bring your drop in to a small bank today.
A small bank? Yeah. Let's go.
All right.
Oh, here's a bank right here.
Perfect.
Cool.
Okay, so we're gonna do the same feet positions. We're just gonna put our board right on this edge, kind of like it's a coping.
Wow.
Okay, back foot's already bent, nice and strong. And front foot on, bend, and roll away.
Whoa! Did you see that? She just went from the top of the bank all the way down to the bottom. Cool. All right. Is it my turn now?
Yes, it is you, Blippi. Is it okay if I spot you?
Yeah, that would
All
be
right.
great. Okay, right here.
Okay, I'm gonna grab your wrists.
Okay.
Okay, front foot on the bolts.
All right, here
Nice and
we
low.
go.
Very good.
Whoa! Yeah, I did it.
That was awesome.
That was really intense.
That was so good.
Woohoo! All right, maybe I should try it again.
Okay, want one more spot?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, ready? 3,
Yep.
2, 1.
Yeah.
Oh, I did it again! All right. Do you think I'm ready for not a spot?
I think you're ready.
All right, let's do this. All right.
Okay, Blippi, you got it.
3, 2, 1. Whoa! I did it on my own! Yeah! That was awesome. You're
That
such a
was
great
so good.
instructor.
That was amazing. Can I teach you one more thing super fast?
Yeah.
All right. So, the cool way to pop your board up.
Okay.
I'm gonna snap it up, and now you're a true skateboarder.
Okay. Now here's the test. If I'm now a true skateboarder. Woohoo! I did it! Good job! Yeah!
Good job, Blippi. You're awesome.
All right, cool. So first, we're gonna determine your stance. Are you regular footed
stance.
or goofy footed?
I think I'm regular footed.
Okay.
'Cause I'm left in the
That would
front.
be correct. Left foot forward. So you're gonna put your left foot on the front bolts there.
Okay.
Okay. You're gonna put your back foot on the back bolts, and then you're gonna turn your feet sideways so that you have a nice athletic wide stance on the board.
Okay.
Just like that. Perfect.
Oh yeah. Okay, is that it? I can skateboard?
Okay, next. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing, but this
Okay.
time we're gonna give it a little push so that you're actually moving once you're on the skateboard.
Oh, okay.
Okay, same exact thing, but this time push before you get your back foot on the bolts.
Okay, here
All
I
right,
go.
you got it, Meekah. I believe.
Thank you.
That is awesome.
Look
at you.
Whoa. How do I get off of the board?
With the same foot you put on the back, you take off to slow
So
yourself
the
down.
back
Foot comes off first, correct.
front foot stays on.
Stays on, you
So
got
this
it.
is how I get on. And then to get off,
Back foot first.
keep the front foot on.
Yep,
Back
just
foot
like
off.
that.
Okay.
All right. Let's see it. Big push. Let's see if you can make it to the end of the park here.
Okay. Here I go, big
Let's
push.
see it, Meekah.
Whoa.
Yeah. Look at that.
Whoa. That was awesome.
You're a natural.
Oh, thank you. Okie doke. Here I go. Whoa.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh. This is hard. What else can we do?
Well, we can come on up here and we can practice going back and forth on the quarter pipes.
Whoa.
Introduce you to what's called fakie.
Fakey?
You want to do fakie?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's get it.
Okay. How do I get up there?
So we're gonna walk up this ramp right here.
Okay.
I'll get up first, and then I'll give you some assistance.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead, give me your skateboard.
Okay.
Grab onto the trucks.
Wow,
Here we
this is
go.
cool. Oh,
Bam, there
thank
we go.
you.
Okay. So we're gonna do the same thing we just did, right?
Okay.
But this time we're gonna go towards the quarter pipe, and then you're gonna let yourself come back down, and that's fakie.
Whoa, okay.
All right.
I'm going to fakie.
Let's see it. Big push. There you go. That's the one. And back fakie.
Whoa.
Yeah, Meekah. That's it right there.
Wow, I did it.
Yeah.
You're a good teacher.
Thank you. You're a good student.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
Okay.
One more thing
All
before
right.
we go. Okay?
Yep.
This is how skateboarders pick up their skateboards. You're gonna take your back foot,
Okay.
pop the tail, and reach with your hand for the nose.
Okay.
Perfect. You did it.
Awesome.
All
Thank
right.
you so much for teaching me how to
You're
skateboard.
very welcome.
Okay, I wonder what Blippi's up to.
Let's go find out.
Go. Whoa! Hey, Blippi! Whoa! Yeah, we look like real skateboarders now.
How'd you do?
Okay, it's a lot harder than I thought.
Yeah, you need a lot of balance.
Yeah, balance, need to focus.
Yeah.
Yeah, how'd you do?
Oh, I think I did pretty good. You
Oh,
wanna
yeah?
see?
Yeah, show me what you got.
All right, here I go.
Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa! Wow, he's amazing! Oh, that's so cool! Whoa! Go, Blippi! Go! Wow! How does he know how to do this? Go, Blippi! Go, Blippi! Whoa, I can't believe he can do that! Wow, Blippi, you are incredible!
Thanks, Meekah. That was so much fun.
That was really good.
Thanks. If you practice something, then you can get really good at it.
That's right, you keep getting better and better and better.
Yeah, wasn't that so much fun learning how to skateboard?
It was a lot of fun learning, especially with you, Blippi.
Oh, thanks, Meekah. You too. Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name.
Yep.
Will you spell my name with us?
B-L-I-P-P-I.
Blippi.
Nice.
Good job.
Will you spell my name with us? Cool.
M-E-E-K-A-H. Meekah. All right. See you again.
Bye.
Woo. Yeah. Woo. Hey, it's me, Blippi.
Hi, and I'm Meekah. And today we are at the Magic House in St. Louis, Missouri.
Yeah, and today we're meeting Levi, who was the winner of the Blippi and Meekah in my hometown contest.
That's right, I'm so excited.
Me too.
Levi!
Levi! Whoa! Whoa! Here we go! Whoa, that was fun. Here we go.
Hey, Levi, should we play in the rocks together? Yeah. Let's do
Rock
it.
time! Woo!
Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa, Levi, this rocks.
Yeah, this is really cool.
Why did you say these rocks are sand when you're doing the video?
Whoa! Whoa, what's this?
A backhoe.
Whoa, is this a backhoe with an excavator arm attachment?
Whoa,
Look.
this one has an arm too, look.
Whoa! Whoa!
Hey, Blippi and Levi, should we make a really big rock pile?
Oh yeah.
Okay,
That's a great idea.
let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, here, I'll grab a shovel.
Oh, here's a shovel if you want one, Levi.
Okay.
No.
You want one or you want to use your hands?
This one looks broken. I don't want to use the shovel.
Understood.
Okay, here we go. I'll use this shovel.
Meekah, we can put it in here.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Whoa, Levi, this is gonna be the biggest rock hill ever.
Wow. Oh, you're so strong.
Whoa, I think it's about filled. Levi, do you wanna dump it out?
No, not yet.
Not yet,
let's put some
even
more.
bigger. Okay, here.
Whoa. There's so many rocks.
Will any more fit?
Whoa!
Levi, will any more fit? I think we made it so tall. Do we want to dump it out?
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Okay, here we go. On the count of 3. 1,
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Yeah, I think we can make it even taller if you want.
Yeah, you want to try?
Put a couple more scoops.
Whoa. Woo!
Whoa!
Here, maybe. We can.
A lot taller than the sky.
Whoa, let's try to.
Let's live in a mountain.
Yeah, the
Whoa.
biggest mountain ever.
Well, Levi, it would be
Push all
a
the
mountain?
Yeah.
Wait, how many rocks would that take? Would it take 100 rocks?
Maybe, a million rocks.
A million rocks?
Challenge accepted.
Whoa!
All right.
Oh, wait, Levi, maybe we can build some more over there too. Maybe we can do the biggest, tallest tower ever.
Maybe it is the tallest tower in the world.
In the whole world! Okay, here we go.
Whoa.
Are you ready? Okay, we're gonna stack some of that.
We need it on hill.
Oh yeah, here, let's push it
Okay,
together.
let's make it maybe 2.
Maybe 2 instead of 3, and that way we can make it taller.
Yep.
Oh.
Yep.
Look,
Okay.
Blippi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. Here, we're gonna make 2 towers instead of 3 towers, so it can be even taller.
Whoa!
Look at this, Levi. It's gonna be super duper tall. Okay, whoa. How about this? I'm gonna hold the bricks, and then maybe, Meekah, you can help stack them. Okay, here, let's scooch it over a little.
Okay.
Okay, and
Here's
then
one
I'm
over
gonna
here that I
hold
gotta
these.
build.
Okay, Levi.
Okay, I'm holding the bricks. Wait. Whoa! Levi, we need a couple more. Here, can I have some too?
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
here we go.
Here you go.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Here you go.
Okay, here we go. Whoa, this is so tall. It's as tall as Blippi. It's as tall as me.
Wow.
Whoa.
Okay, Levi, are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Do you feel strong?
Do you feel strong?
Yeah.
Do you feel fast?
Yeah.
Okay, are you super duper duper ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready for the countdown?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go Levi, go! That was so fun! Wait.
Levi and Blippi, I just thought of something.
Oh, what was that, Meekah?
Do you want to go outside and ride tricycles?
Yeah, let's go outside.
Oh, let's do the walk sugar, then go do the trikes, Meekah.
Yeah, let's go that way.
Let's do it, come
Let's do the
on!
walk real quick, then do the trikes, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go, follow me!
Run! Whoa!
Whoa, this is so cool! Oh, what are these? Levi, what are these?
Tricycles.
Whoa.
Tricycle.
Whoa, Levi, do you want to race us?
Yeah.
Okay, well, first things first, good thing we have our helmets on, so we're safe.
Yep, nice and safe.
1, 2, 3, 6, go!
1, 2, 3, 6, go!
Let's go!
Go, Levi, go!
Okay.
Whoa!
Yeah!
We did it!
Whoa! Levi!
Whoa!
Woo! We did it! We raced, and I think the results are in. The winner of the Levi, Blippi, and Meekah race is Levi! Woo!
Blippi and Meekah, who are you?
Levi!
Blippi, look!
Whoa, it's a letter with our names on it.
Oh, cool!
I wonder who it's from. Hi, Blippi and Meekah. I can't wait to see you today. I got here early and have been playing. Can you find me at the place where vehicles go to get fixed? Levi!
Oh, that's so cool! Okay, so where vehicles go to get fixed. Mechanics!
Yeah.
Mechanics fix vehicles?
Yeah, and they work at auto shops.
Yeah, let's go check it out!
Yeah, come on! Woo! Whoa, Meekah! We made it to the auto shop!
Yeah, we're here, but I don't see Levi anywhere.
Levi! Levi? He's not back here.
No. Whoa! Check out this blue car. One of your favorite colors, Blippi.
Yeah, I bet this car can go so fast.
Oh, yeah.
but it's at the auto shop, which means I think it needs some repairing.
Yeah, wait, is this your car?
Oh, yeah, it is my car.
I had a feeling. So what seems to be the problem?
Well, it's been making a really strange sound, kind of like this.
Ooh. I've heard this before. I have heard this before. Well, number one, you don't have a wheel or tire here, Blippi.
Whoa, well, if only there was a mechanic that could help me fix my car up.
Not a problem. Mechanic Meekah is here. Here's this new wheel and tire.
Whoa, check it out. A wheel and tire that looks like it's the perfect size.
Exactly. We can just line this up, see? 1, 2, 3, and look. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. See how it matches on there?
Fits right through the holes.
Yep.
Whoa, great job. You were really good at lining that up.
And I have all of these tools here to make sure that it's nice and secure. You want to help me?
Oh, yeah, here. We'll put on
there?
some of these little bolts.
Yep.
Here we go.
Those are different one.
Those are kind of hard to put on. I think we need to use that tool of yours.
You think?
Yeah.
Here, you want to try this one?
Oh, yeah, here, I'll put on this
Okay.
one.
Okay.
Here, let me put on this last one.
There. It's all fixed.
Well, we better put away all the tools.
Yep, you're right. Okay, let's go over here and make sure everything is put away and all. Blippi. Another letter.
Whoa, I wonder if it's from Levi. You better read it.
Okay, let's see. Hi, Blippi and Meekah. Do you know where fish live? I'm headed there next. See you soon, Levi.
Whoa, do you know where fish live?
Pond, a lake.
The ocean.
Yeah, an aquarium.
Oh, maybe we can find fish here.
Yeah, let's go look. Come on.
Whoa, Meekah, look at where we are.
Yeah, we're at a pond.
Yeah, this is definitely a place where fish like to live.
Yep, that's right. And oh, I see some fish.
Me too. Oh, I see a turtle.
Oh, hi.
Hello. Whoa, and Meekah, look at this. It's a fishing rod.
Cool.
And it says we can fish here.
Oh, let's do it.
Let's see if we can catch a really big fish.
Yeah. Okay, so with fishing, you have to have a lot of patience, Blippi.
Oh,
Already?
I think I got a bite.
Whoa.
Whoa,
Whoa. Must be a really big fish.
Whoa, it must be huge or gigantic or humongous. Wait a second. This isn't a big fish. It's a tiny fish.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Hello.
Hi, Blippi. Hi, Meekah.
Oh, hi. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. You are one strong little fish.
Yeah. Can I go back to my friends, please?
Oh, of course. Okay, bye.
Bye, little fish. Woo! Yeah, I love fishing and being outdoors. It's so nice to relax and breathe in the fresh air.
Exactly. I love being out in nature and just being under a tree and.
Oh, Meekah, I think I see something in the tree.
Me too. Let's check it out.
Okay. Woo!
Whoa, another letter.
I bet it's from Levi.
Yeah, you want to read it?
Yeah, thanks, Meekah. Okay, let's see what it says. It says, "Hi, Blippi and Meekah. All of this playing is making me hungry. It's time for a snack. See you soon, Levi." Whoa, Meekah! It's a pizza parlor!
This is so cool. We can pretend to make our very own pizza.
Oh, that's a perfect snack. And we can put our favorite toppings on it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
We could start with some dough. Here you go.
Oh, that's a lot of dough.
Yep. Need the dough.
Yeah. And then
Toss it.
yeah, we're gonna toss it up. Okay, on the count of 3.
One,
two, three.
Whoa.
Whoa! That was fun. Oh, and now we just need to put on some sauce.
Oh, here you go.
Whoa.
Some tomato sauce.
And I'll spread it around with a spoon. Ooh.
Yummy.
And do you know what comes next?
Yeah.
Cheese! Yum! Whoa! It's a winter wonder cheese land!
Oh, and what about some yummy vegetables?
We could put on some mushrooms?
Ooh, that sounds yummy. Oh, what about green peppers?
Oh, yeah, that sounds great. Whoa! Meekah, our pizza's looking like it's ready to go in the oven now.
Oh, let's do it.
Whoa, look at it. Here we go. Wow, great job putting all those toppings on it.
Yep.
Spreading around the sauce and cheese.
It looks so yummy. Here you go.
Whoa, thank you, Meekah.
I'm gonna put it right here in the oven.
Whoa.
Wow.
And now, my favorite part of cooking is...
Tasting the food.
Yeah, eating it, yum. Okay, here, I'm gonna grab some pizza for you,
Oh,
Meekah.
thank you.
And I'll grab some pizza for me.
Ooh.
Okay, and now,
It's really hot.
time to dig in. Here we go. Okay, here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers. Woo.
This is the best pizza I've ever had.
Yum! It's so tasty.
Oh my goodness. You must be really hungry.
Yeah, I was super hungry after all the stuff and playing we've been doing today. Oh, and Meekah, I had a couple slices here, but it looks like someone else was eating pizza earlier.
Oh, I bet it was Levi.
Oh, Levi. It's a letter. Whoa, Meekah, I wonder what it says. Do you want to read it?
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It says, Blippi and Meekah, that yummy lunch made me feel ready to get back to work. Meet me at a special work site for some digging and building. Levi.
Oh.
Digging and building.
Digging and building. Oh, I know. I bet Levi is at a construction site.
That would be so fun.
I bet we can find one around here somewhere.
Yeah, let's go look for one.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
Come on.
Levi!
Levi! Whoa! Here we go! Whoa, that was fun. Here we go. That was so much fun, and I had so much fun today. But that's the end of this video. Hey, if you want to watch more of our videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, can you spell my name?
Blippi.
That's
He
right!
already knows how to spell your name?
Wait, Levi, can we spell my name together, all together? Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Whoa, that was some good spelling.
Yeah, hey, will you spell my name with us? Okay, do you know how to spell it, Levi? I can help you. M-E-E-K-A-H.
Blippi.
Yeah, well, you're really good at balancing.
Whoa.
And it seems like we have a little more playing to do. We'll see you soon.
right,
Bye-bye.
One more time.
Whoa, we can race one more
Oh,
time.
yeah.
Let's wave to our friends. Bye, friends.
See you later.
See you soon. Woo. Okay,
All right,
one
let's
more
race
race. Here
again.
we go. Woo. Here, I can lift this up. Woo. Okay, here we
1,
go.
2, 3, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1.